Jai Sri Swaminarayan. SSGM School CBSE runs by Sri Sahajanand Gurukuls Mankuwa heartily welcomes you all to this online education platform. Student of class 9, today we will continue our chapter, that is chapter number 4, a truly beautiful mind, in our English subject, and this is our third part of this chapter. This is the third video of this chapter, a truly beautiful mind. Before this we made two videos, and in this two video we will discuss about Albert Einstein's life, his work, his career. So now let us begin some of the other points of this chapter. So student, please open your textbook, page number 49, point number 10. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problem in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means starting to fail. So, on the other hand, Albert Einstein solving the most difficult problem in the physics, at that time, on the other hand, his private life, it means his personal life, starting becoming weak day by day. So his life become starting to fail day by day. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his study. So Albert had a wish to marry with Mileva, his beloved, after finishing the study, after finish the study. So he wanted to marry with Mileva, but his mother was against it. But his mother was not agree with his wish, with his want. So he was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. The name of the Albert Einstein's mother was Pauline Einstein, and he thought that Mileva means a beloved of Albert Einstein. Mileva was 3 years elder than Albert Einstein, so she was too much old than Albert Einstein according to his mother. So he do not accept and he do not agree with his decision, with his wish. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. So she was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence, because she thought that Mileva was very intelligent to be a wife. So finally Einstein put the marriage wedding off. So finally, after a prolonged discussion with his mother, he finally decided to cancel the marriage. It means that his life started to fail, started to weak. Now the pair finally married in January 1903. But now finally they both married in the year 1903 and had two sons and had two sons. But a few years later the marriage faltered. It means that faltered means to become weak. So after a few years of their marriage life, their marriage become weak, started to become a weak. So their relationship started to become a weak. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. So Mileva, who was a very intellectual person, who was very bright, who was very intelligent, now with his intellectual power, with his intellectual ambition, do not cope up with his position, and that's why now he started to feel that his life was unhappy, and he started to becoming an unhappy housewife, because in his marriage life, in her marriage life, she could not able to fulfill her desire, to fulfill her career dreams. That's why she started to becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. So after a long fighting, they were separated in the year 1919, and then Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So after separation with Mileva, now Einstein married second time with his cousin, that is Elsa, in the same year. So Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to the world fame. So in the same year, another thing happening in his life, that is his rose to the world fame. It means that besides his second marriage, he was also becoming a world famous. It means he became the famous scientist in the world, and from all over the world he get appreciations. Now in 1915 he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. So in the year 1915 he published his second paper, his second theory, that is general theory of relativity. So he published two theory on relativity. The first one we learned, that is a special theory of relativity, and this one is second, that is general theory of relativity. And in this theory he provided a new interpretation of gravity. We all know that the theory of gravity also given by Newton. We all know the theory of gravity given by Newton, but here Einstein also gave a new interpretation of gravity, and an eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. And after 4 years of his theory, an eclipse of the sun which comes in 1919 was the proof of his theory that his theory was accurate. Accurate means true. His theory was real. So Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed star would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. So the sun had a gravitational power, okay, and earth also had a gravitational power, but Einstein in advance correctly calculated the extent to which the light from the fixed star would be deflected. It means the light from the actual star comes toward our earth. In between them the gravitational field, it means the gravitational power of the sun affected the actual position of the star. So what we see from our earth was not the actual position of the star, it was deflected because of the gravitational power of the sun, and this fact Albert Einstein calculated in advance with and it was correct. So the newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. So the newspaper proclaimed, it means उन्होंने जाहिर कर दिया, उन्होंने स्प्रेड कर दिया कि it was a scientific revolution. So, it was a revolution in the science. Now, Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1920. So, Nobel Prize was given in is given in the memory of one of the famous scientists, that is Alfred Nobel, and this Nobel Prize was established in 1800 and 1905, and the first Nobel Prize was given in the year 1901, and here Albert Einstein got this Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1921. He was showered with honors and invitation from all over the world and lauded by the press. So, finally, Albert Einstein was famous in all over the world. He got honors and also invited by all over the world. So, today we are stopped here. Now, we had a 3 video of this chapter. Before I come to the sum up of this video, I have some of the questions for you. So, write down the questions with their answer in your notebook. You have to find the answer of this question from the textbook, and you can do it. So, here are the questions for you, that is question number 1, that is, why did Einstein cancel the marriage? Second question, why did Albert and Mileva get divorced? What is the name of the second paper of Einstein? Question number 4. What did the newspapers announce Now, the last question, in which year Einstein got Nobel Prize? So, friends, you have to write the answer of these questions in your fair book. Thank you so much. Jai Swaminarayan.